Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Siwelele FC have announced the exit of 23 players. That's almost the whole squad as they continue to prepare for the 2026-27 campaign. Siwelele finished 10th place in the 2025-26 Betway Premiership, missing out on top 8 by just 2 points. Here are the players that they have parted ways with. Happy Mashiane, who was on loan and he returned back to Kaizer Chiefs. And subsequently, he left Kaizer Chiefs also. And in Kampani Lungu, who went to Pirates. Botlhale Ngwatu, who went to Pirates also. Neo Rapo, who went to Pirates also. Thabang Mahlangu, Lazola Maku, Haugelo Sehota, Pogiso Sinoka, Enoch Quines, Hape Moralo, Kenin Aya, Lyle Lakey, Butle Mkhwanazi, Samir Nokovic, Nico Mobi, Samkelo Zwane, Matlhatsi Makudubela, Moloisani Mukhele, Thabo Mukhele, Tubuku Oyizu, Koketso Sigodiso, Mandlenkosi Nkosi. So what do you think of Siwelele releasing so many players? Do you think that they are rebuilding the squad from scratch? Let me hear your thoughts. What's really going on at Siwelele FC? And then later on, Siwelele confirmed that goalkeeper Ricardo Goss, who spent the last 4 seasons on loan from Mamelodi Sundowns, has left the club also, and he has returned back to Mamelodi Sundowns. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this move by Ricardo Goss moving back to Mamelodi Sundowns? Do you think that he will get game time now at his parent club? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. Remember, Ricardo Goss was loaned to SuperSport United before their status was acquired by Siwelele FC. So he has spent most of his time at Siwelele/SuperSport, and now he is 32 years old. And he was also part of the Bafana Bafana squad that was at the 2026 FIFA World Cup, even though he did not feature. Now that he will be back with his team Mamelodi Sundowns, he will be going to pre-season with them. Do you think that he has a chance of playing at Mamelodi Sundowns, or do you think that they will loan him again or probably sell him? Let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of the future of Ricardo Goss? Stellenbosch FC striker Ashley Cupido has completed his move from Stellenbosch to Israeli side Kairat Yam. A switch Bafana Bafana forward will hopefully reignite his goal-scoring form after a stop-start campaign in the Cape Winelands. The 25-year-old joined Steelers in a big money move from Cape Town Spurs in 2024, but has struggled for consistency and now will look to rebuild his career in Israel. Here is what Gianni Cupido said regarding the move. Yes, I feel this is a good opportunity for me just to get back to my best, considering how the last season played out. I think this opportunity is best for me, getting back on track and scoring. I wasn't really too excited considering what's happening around the world, but at the end of the day, I'm a footballer, and that is my main focus, being on the field and playing. And I hope after this opportunity, there will be more doors open for my career. And he said, being part of the national team is always a dream. Being part of the national team is always a dream. And for the most part, I was always happy. Yes, I would have liked to go with the boys to the World Cup, but I don't really feel unhappy. I'm just proud of how far I came. And hopefully there will be more opportunities. Now, there are no details on whether the loan might be a permanent one at the end of the season. We don't know. What we know is that they just sent him on loan to rediscover his goal-scoring form. Now, what do you think of this move? That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.